Right now, as you watch this video, something huge is happening. The Andromeda galaxy, the closest large galaxy to us, is on a collision course with the Milky Way. But what if it didn't take billions of years? What if it happened tomorrow? Would Earth survive? Would we be ripped apart by gravitational forces? Or could this be a new beginning for our galaxy? Let's find out. First, how do we know this is happening? Andromeda is 2.5 million light-years away from us. But it's moving toward us at 110 kilometers per second. That's because of gravity. Our galaxies are being pulled together by their mutual gravitational forces. Astronomers predict the collision will happen in about 4.5 billion years. But let's change the timeline. What if it happened tomorrow? A galactic collision isn't like a car crash. Galaxies are mostly empty space. Stars are so far apart that very few will actually collide. But massive gravitational forces will tear through both galaxies. Huge gas clouds will collide, creating intense star formation. Our night sky will change forever. Within hours, Earth's sky would become brighter as Andromeda's core looms overhead. But things are about to get much worse. The biggest threat isn't the collision itself, it's what happens to the solar system. The sun and planets will be dragged in different directions. Earth might be flung into intergalactic space, freezing instantly. Or we could be pulled into the chaotic center of the new galaxy, surrounded by massive black holes. But there's another possibility. Over millions of years, the chaos will settle. The Milky Way and Andromeda will merge into one massive elliptical galaxy. Astronomers already call it Milkomeda. New stars will be born, and planetary systems could stabilize again. If Earth survives, it might orbit a brand new sun in a totally different part of the galaxy. But the ultimate fate? The sun will die out, and the galaxy will keep evolving, until it's one with the darkness of the universe. So what if Andromeda collided with the Milky Way tomorrow? Earth would face chaos, destruction, or even exile into deep space. The night sky would become a dazzling cosmic show. A new galaxy would be born from the wreckage. But luckily, we still have 4.5 billion years before this happens, unless something changes. What do you think would happen? Let us know in the comments. For more videos like this, visit and subscribe to Knowledge Hub.